Hello friends, nice to see you again. Today we will learn animals that start with the first letter N. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. The first animal that starts with the letter N is a nutria. A nutria is a type of large rodent that resembles rats and belongs to the family of Echinidae that mainly includes rats and large rodents. It is estimated that there are over 20 million nutrias in the United States. Still, no such survey or authentic data is available on how many nutrias exist in the world. Moreover, nutrias have a high rate of reproduction which is responsible for their population. A nutria lives in wetlands and is a semi-aquatic animal. They are usually found near the lakeshore, riverbank, or even in the middle of some wetlands. The nutria generally lives in burrows and nests which are located near any water body. They are skilled at swimming, and they can stay swamped or immersed underwater for up to 5 minutes. Apart from the United States, they have moved to 17 other states from southern Brazil to Chile. A nutria, also known as a coipu, prefers a wet habitat that is in freshwater marshes. They may dwell in saline marshes rarely. They build their burrows near any lake or canals or even move to abandoned burrows constructed by muskrats, beaver, or any other animal. The nutria is a social animal, and so they live in colonies. Thus, they live with a group of 2-13 individuals, usually consisting of an adult male and multiple related females with their babies. A nutria can live up to 10 years, but on average, they have a lifespan of about 6 years in the wild and up to 10 years in captivity. The next animal that starts with the letter N is a nightingale. The nightingale is a small, plain-looking bird with a big voice. Many people think it's highly varied. Musical songs are beautiful. Sometimes people call other birds with musical songs nightingales. This songbird is in the same family as thrushes, robins, and bluebirds. Nightingales live in the woodlands. They prefer low bushes to tall trees. These birds nest throughout much of Europe and Western Asia. They fly to warmer Central Africa for the winter. The nightingale is about 6.5 inches long. It has a brown body, a reddish tail, and a cream-colored belly and chest. Nightingales use their slender bills to eat insects and worms that they find on the ground. The nightingale's song is most often heard during spring and early summer. This period is the mating and nesting season. At this time, the male may sing at any hour. The female builds a cup-shaped nest out of dry leaves, twigs, and grass. The next animal that starts with the letter N is a numbat. A numbat is a marsupial that lives in Western Australia. This small mammal uses its long, sticky tongue to capture termites that live underground. Numbats are animals that live in hollow logs and burrows. They hunt for termites by day and sleep at night. A numbat's coat is a mixture of reddish-brown with black and white stripes on its back and a small black stripe over each of its dark eyes. Its ears are thin and pointy. Its slim body is 7 to 12 inches long. animal that starts with the letter N is a nuthatch. Nuthatches are any of about 25 species of short-tailed, long-billed birds in the family Sitidae. They are known for their abilities to grab tree bark as they walk up, down, and around trunks and branches, and to hang upside down on the underside of tree limbs as they look for insects and seeds. Because of these abilities, the birds are sometimes called upside-down birds. By exploring in areas ignored by many other birds, such as woodpeckers, nuthatches find insects hidden in bark that other species overlook. Nuthatches live around the world, except in South America. Nuthatches are small birds, measuring 3.5 to 7 inches, with bluish-gray and white backs, white or reddish-brown breasts, and short, square tails. They nest in northern woods, usually in a hole dug into a dead tree or into the top of a stump. Nuthatches often store seeds in bark crevices and remember their locations for months. They also use crevices to hold a hard seed in place while hacking it using the full force of their bodies to pound on the seed with their bills. The best-known species in North America are the red-breasted nuthatch and the white-breasted nuthatch. The red-breasted nuthatch is a stubby, grayish, red-breasted bird that weighs about 0.35 ounces. It often boldly approaches humans in northern conifer groves. The white-breasted nuthatch is a grayish, black-capped, white-breasted bird that weighs 0.74 ounces. It often frequents bird feeders, where it relishes sunflower seeds and suet. Okay, that's all for today. Now we have learned animals that start with the letter N. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.